Racing just is started. We have unpredictable break quickly at a start. Moving up now on the outside is perfect. Pajama in the middle portion is high voltage. Finest material comes next. Top connection. Salvatore just in time. Windy wind. While Kumita 2 sees the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have perfect. Pajama by about 2 lengths, and in second is unpredictable, and on the outside third comes high voltage. Finest material is done in fourth. Windy wind, and next online is just in time. Kumita to stop connection, while Salvatore now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have perfect. Pajama by about 2 lengths, and in second is unpredictable. High voltage remains in third. Moving up now on the outside is 7, and this one is finest material to take third. And last 400 meters of the race, perfect. Pajama. Finest material moving about the outside, and now says it's my turn to take the lead, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have finest material by about 3 lengths, and in second down on the inside now is the top connection, and on the outside is perfect. Pajama. Last 50 meters, it's all finest material, top connection, then comes perfect. Pajama, Kumita 2's high voltage, and windy wind.